If you look at Hamas's record while it was in power, it tried diplomacy, it failed. It tried international law, it failed. It tried nonviolent civil resistance, the Great March of Return.
After 2017.
March 30th, 2018. It tried all that. I can't go into the details now. This is an interview. It's not an encyclopedia entry. But the evidence is compelling. It tried everything. So, under those circumstances, what was it supposed to do? Now, you take a case of an analogy everybody will understand, okay? You have a woman, she's the victim of spousal battery. Yeah. Her husband beats her and beats her and beats her and beats her. She screams and yells, hoping neighbors will pay attention. Neighbors know what's going on. They do nothing. Okay? Then she summons up the courage. She calls the police. The police come. They conduct an investigation. They conclude, yes, she's the victim of battery.
But nothing is done.
They write up a report, give the report to the district attorney, just like all those reports on what Israel was doing to Gaza. And then, one day, he's approaching her again to beat her, and she grabs a kitchen knife, and she stabs him, and stabs him again, and stabs him 3 times. He then reaches for his pistol, and he kills her. Okay, in self-defense, he says. And you know, in the U.S. courts, I can't speak for elsewhere, he would probably win the case that he killed her in self-defense. But that may be the legal verdict.
Yeah, but on a justice level.
But the moral verdict, did he morally have a right to kill her after all that she had endured for 20 years?